Fennel seeds, scientifically known as Foeniculum vulgare, are tiny, oval-shaped seeds derived from the flowering plant of the same name. Belonging to the carrot family Apiaceae, fennel is native to the Mediterranean region but is now cultivated worldwide for its culinary and medicinal uses. With a distinct aroma and flavor reminiscent of licorice or anise, fennel seeds have been prized for centuries for their versatile applications in cooking, traditional medicine, and herbal remedies. Fennel seeds have a long history of use in various cultures, dating back to ancient times. They were highly valued by ancient Greeks, Romans, Egyptians, and Chinese civilizations for their culinary appeal and purported health benefits. Today, fennel seeds continue to be cherished for their unique flavor profile and potential medicinal properties, making them a staple ingredient in cuisines around the world and a popular herbal remedy in traditional medicine systems. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the fascinating world of fennel seeds, delving into their culinary uses, nutritional profile, health benefits, and potential applications in modern wellness practices. Enhancing the flavor of dishes to supporting digestive health and beyond, fennel seeds offer a myriad of possibilities for those seeking to incorporate natural ingredients into their lifestyle. Join us as we uncover the many wonders of fennel seeds and unlock the secrets of this ancient herbal treasure. Digestive aid. Fennel seeds contain volatile oils like anethol, which possess carminative properties that help relax the muscles of the digestive tract, relieve gas, bloating, and cramping, and aid in digestion. Relief from indigestion. Due to their carminative effects, fennel seeds are often used to alleviate symptoms of indigestion, such as discomfort, heartburn, and nausea, by promoting the expulsion of gas from the digestive system. Anti-inflammatory properties. Fennel seeds contain compounds like flavonoids and phenolic compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation throughout the body and alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions like arthritis. Antioxidant benefits. Rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C, flavonoids, and phenolic compounds, fennel seeds help neutralize harmful free radicals, protect cells from oxidative damage, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and cardiovascular disease. Regulation of blood sugar levels. Preliminary studies suggest that compounds in fennel seeds may help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity, enhancing glucose metabolism, and reducing blood glucose levels, potentially benefiting individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. Relief from menstrual symptoms. Fennel seeds have been traditionally used to alleviate menstrual symptoms like cramps, bloating, and discomfort due to their ability to relax muscles, reduce inflammation, and balance hormone levels. Antimicrobial effects. Fennel seeds possess antimicrobial properties attributed to compounds like anethol and estragol, which may help inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria, fungi, and other pathogens, promoting oral health and overall immunity. Supports heart health. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants found in fennel seeds can help promote heart health by lowering cholesterol levels, reducing blood pressure, and protecting against oxidative stress and inflammation, thereby reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Relief from respiratory issues. Fennel seeds have expectorant properties that can help loosen phlegm, relieve coughing, and soothe respiratory discomfort associated with conditions like asthma, bronchitis, and coughs. Aids weight management. Fennel seeds are low in calories and rich in fiber, which helps promote feelings of fullness, regulate appetite, and support healthy weight management by reducing calorie intake and promoting satiety. Improves eye health. Fennel seeds contain vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision, supporting proper eye function, and protecting against age-related macular degeneration and other eye disorders. Bone health. Fennel seeds are a good source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, essential minerals for maintaining strong and healthy bones, preventing osteoporosis, and reducing the risk of fractures and bone-related disorders. Alleviates constipation. The fiber content in fennel seeds promotes regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports digestive health by adding bulk to the stool and facilitating smooth passage through the digestive tract. Supports breastfeeding. Fennel seeds have traditionally been used to promote lactation in breastfeeding mothers due to their galactagogue properties, which may help increase milk production and improve the quality of breast milk. Overall, incorporating fennel seeds into your diet can offer a wide range of health benefits, from supporting digestion and heart health to reducing inflammation and promoting overall well-being. However, it's essential to consume them in moderation and consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are pregnant or breastfeeding. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.